Hey everybody, it's Ephraimize. Today I have a VGA cable, VGA adapter for the NEC MobilePro. And this is actually new old stock. In fact, still factory sealed there. Copyright 2001, so probably made around that time as well. It's still sealed in the factory box, so let's open that up. Hasn't been open in 21 years. 21 years since the seal was put on here. It's very thick. Alright, and there we have it. Haven't seen the light of day for 20 years, but here we go. An actual NEC name brand VGA adapter. We'll show that working here shortly. I'll show you what it's used for. So here's the device that goes with the NEC MobilePro. This is a MobilePro 900C. And this VGA cable is inserted right here. Mmm. 21-year-old technology, fresh out of the package. So this is an NEC brand name product. And it does fit snugly right there. Now this runs at half VGA resolution regularly, so I'd like to see it at full VGA. Alright, so we've got it connected here to the VGA monitor. And before it will work, we need to change some of these settings here. So, in your MobilePro, you'll be go to MobilePro settings, external monitor, display, and CRT. Alright, should be working. And it is working. Interestingly enough, it's not stretched to full VGA, it is just half of the screen. Interesting. Let's see what we can see what pulling up a few things looks like. Ready for the first test here, we'll just pull up good old Google. Or, well, Frog Find is what I use on this, actually. So, here's the LCD and the VGA. So, obviously a little bigger, a little more saturated color here. No ghosting like you will find on the MobilePro display. You might not be able to see it in the camera, but there's some ghosting here from the lines. So that is the NEC MobilePro VGA adapter. Thanks for watching.